Texas State Builders will solve any and all of your roofing problems. We do complete total roof replacement, roof restoration, and roof cleaning. But wait, is it cleaning or is it disinfection? You know, your roof may have turned black, but that's not dirt. That is bacteria, and the name of that bacteria is Gloeocapsa magma. It's a cyanobacteria, one of the oldest living organisms on the planet. Get a load of this, and you can feel free to do your own research and look this up. Cyanobacteria, which is also known as blue-green algae, is one of the oldest living organisms on the planet. So what we have is when it over-consumes our roofs, the bacteria eats the lime out of the asphalt mix that's on our asphalt shingle roofs, and the dead cells come up to the top and create the black, kind of shiny algae surface. So what we've got, you know, you've got an entire roof coating of dead cyanobacteria on top of the surface of your roof, and it's completely consumed it. So it's not a black roof, it's a roof that's been consumed by a bacteria. And most people, unfortunately, they're doing the most irresponsible thing we can do is just tear these roofs off and send them to the dump. You don't need to. They can be treated. You can call it treated, cleaned, whatever you want to call it. We can get the material, the bacteria off the roof, and the roof will look brand new. It's incredible. You got to see it to believe it. And in addition to that, every dollar that you spend on treating your roof and maintaining it, we will apply towards your deductible in the event that you have a hail or windstorm that would qualify your roof for replacement from your insurance company.